How to use Benzinga Pro stock alerts app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Benzinga Pro app is like having a real-time trading newsroom in your pocket, but most beginners use it wrong and end up overwhelmed. Let's break down how to use it the right way. Benzinga Pro delivers live news, stock alerts, and insider updates faster than most other platforms. The first mistake people make is not customizing their feed. By default, you'll see a flood of information that can confuse you. Set filters for sectors, tickers, or market caps you actually care about. This turns chaos into clarity. Next, don't ignore audio squawk. Most users skip it, but this live voice stream instantly announces breaking market news. You'll hear about price-moving events before they hit social media. That's a major edge. Another common mistake is relying only on price alerts. Benzinga Pro also lets you create news alerts, options alerts, and unusual volume notifications. Use these together to catch early market signals before the crowd reacts. Pro tip: explore the Signals tab. It highlights big trades, price spikes, and earnings movements in real time. Most people get this wrong. They wait for confirmation after the move is done. This feature helps you act before the rest of the market catches on. Finally, use the calendar to prepare for earnings and economic events. Planning your trades around these moments saves you from emotional decisions. The surprising truth? Benzinga Pro isn't about trading faster, it's about trading smarter. So customize your alerts, listen to squawk, and follow real-time data instead of rumors. Used correctly, Benzinga Pro can give you the timing edge every trader dreams of.